Welcome. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how to enable app icon badges for file transfer notifications on Dropbox. This quick update will help you keep track of your uploads and downloads right from your home screen, so you never miss an important transfer again. Let's get started. First, open your phone settings. You'll find this app on your home screen or app drawer. It's where all your device configurations are managed. Once you're in, scroll down until you find Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, within the list of installed apps, look for Dropbox. You can either scroll down manually or use the search bar at the top if your device has one. Once you see the Dropbox app, tap to open its settings page. Now, tap on the option labeled Notifications. This section controls all the alerts and pop-ups the Dropbox app sends to your device. Inside, you'll see a variety of settings that determine how and when you're notified about Dropbox activity. Up next, select notification categories. This is where Dropbox organizes its different types of app alerts like file sharing updates, backup progress, and of course, file transfers. In this menu, find the category called File Transfer and tap on it. Within the File Transfer notification settings, you'll see a toggle switch labeled App Icon Badges. This is the feature that places a small badge or number on the Dropbox icon whenever there's a new or pending file transfer notification. Simply toggle it on and you're done. From now on, every time a file upload or download happens in Dropbox, your app icon will update to show a badge. It's a perfect way to stay informed without even opening the app. And that's it. You've successfully enabled app icon badges for file transfer notifications on Dropbox. Now, you can easily check your transfer activity at a glance. If you found this helpful, consider giving this tutorial a like and subscribing for more quick guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.